Today's showcase is on the Suzuki Every van and also the Suzuki Jimny from Era Car Hong Kong. Big thanks to Era Car Hong Kong for sending this to me to review for you. Era Car is the latest 164 mini car maker in the market. They first appeared in the Singapore Diecast Expo with their very first Suzuki Jimny, which was a great success. And for latest Era Car merchandise, you can check with your local reseller or their online store. You can refer to the link down below. And now let's start with the Suzuki Every Hong Kong Mini Fire Van. First, I must applaud Era Car for being original by doing the Every van. And you can see on close-up, they did a fantastic job. This casting is the actual fire services van that is now on service in Hong Kong. The livery is accurately represented with tons of details on the casting. It comes with an opening rear. The siren is also looking very realistic. And on the front, you can see lots of details with realistic headlights. And on the base, you can see that the first special edition also comes with a serial number. I do not know how many of these are actually produced. Overall, I'm very happy with this Every for its details and accuracy. Next is the Every Hong Kong Mini Ambulance Van. I'm very impressed, just like the real thing. Very nice. I think it's very well executed by Era Car. The livery is very well represented. And look at the rear. On the front, just like the fire service van, it's equally impressive. Wow, it's a bonus, a stretcher that comes in 1/64 scale. That's awesome. To be honest, I'm super impressed with this ambulance, and the stretcher really adds on to the realism and overall presentation of this casting. Next, let's unbox the Every white van. It's small, it's compact, and it's zippy. Not to mention all the Era Car casting rolls very well, and even it comes without any livery, with just a plain white on its body. It looks equally awesome just like the rest. The key about this Every van is that it looks realistic. Next is the Every Japan Police Van. Very nice, just like the actual Suzuki Every Police Van I see on the street in Tokyo. It's very well represented, it's very accurate, and it looks very realistic. I'm very glad that it comes with an actual Japanese car plate. I think it's from the Gunma Prefectural Police. The siren is very well executed, just like the real thing. Just like the other Every van, it comes with an opening rear, and overall a very impressive casting. Next is the highly popular Suzuki Jimny, and this time round is the limited edition with an Era Dark. A very simple assembly on the Era Dark is all that is required. First impression, it looks awesome. It looks very realistic and is very well presented. It also comes with an opening hood, which you can see the engine compartment, a very impressive front, and also a spare wheel set, which also comes with rubber tires. I really love the body in high gloss black. It looks very premium and very realistic. And lastly is the limited edition Suzuki Jimny with an outdoor tent. To me, the tent is a bonus and it's nice. I really like the striking blue body color with the livery. You can see there's a serial number also. And just like other Jimny, it also comes with an opening hood. With the color in striking blue, it totally gives a different mood than the black version. It looks very refreshing and highly energetic. With a simple assembly on the tent, it looks very fun and definitely will look awesome in diecast photography. Overall, I'm very happy with the make of Era Car casting. They are all very nicely executed with a very reasonable price point. More Era Cars models are coming along the way. And remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!